Okay, hi Chester. Factorizing actually means that when you see something like this, they don't look like the same term, right? Different family, cannot simplify. But this is not about simplifying. This is about factorizing, which means you have to take out whatever is common among these two. Like you see these two, first you always look at the number. There's 3, there's 15. Okay, always look at the number first.
No. As in, how to break them up.
Step 1. Look at the numbers. Okay, so 3 and 15 you can divide both by 3. Okay, since you can divide them both by 3, you take 3 out. Then you look at your unknown. Step 2. Look at the unknown. Okay, B and A are not the same, so you cannot take them out. You only take out the number because they have the same factor, which is 3. Meaning, when you take out 3 from 3B, all you have is B. When you take out 3 from here, which means divide, 3B divided by 3, B. 15A divided by 3 is 5A. So this is factorizing. What it means is the opposite of opening bracket. So like when you open bracket, you have 2x plus 5 becomes 2x plus 10. Oops.
Oh, you mean? I thought
Plus
you were
10.
making a statement.
This is opening bracket. The opposite of opening bracket is factorizing. So if I ask you to factorize 2x plus 12, it's going to be 2 bracket then x plus 6. So when you see this question, now you look at the numbers. There's 3 and 15. Both can be divided by 3. Okay, then you see B and B. So this is a common unknown. Both have a B. So you can take out B as well. That means here is 1 because 3B times 1 equals to 3B. And then plus, okay, 15B divided by 3B. 15 divided by 3, 5. B divided by B, nothing. Okay? So it becomes 3B power 6. Okay, what about this question? 3 and 15. Again, you can take out the common factor is 3. But this one has B. This one doesn't have any unknown. So, you cannot take out an unknown. You leave only the 3. Then here, 3B squared divided by 3 is B squared. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay? And now, this last question is 4 and 8. Okay, what some people do is they take out 2 because you can say both it can be divided by 2. Then they will say 2xy plus 4x. But this is still not the correct answer because you can still factorize 2 and 4. You can still factorize x. So this is wrong. Okay, if they said instead 4xy plus 2x instead of this, they go for this. Take out 4xy, 4 times 2, 8x. Still wrong because you can still factorize x. So this is also wrong. Okay, then they try the final time. 4x. Okay, 4xy divided by 4x, all you have is y. 8x divided by 4x, 2. So when you check 4x y plus 2. Okay, if I double check it here and I open my bracket, I'm going to see 4xy plus 8x. Correct? 4xy plus 8x. 4xy plus 8x.